Here we see a small part drawing using SolidWorks. Go to front plane, right click, sketch. Can go to line and we make a line and small sketch like this. And go to the end point and it will automatically convert to the arc and join the arc. Then make a dimension from center to this end is to be 125 mm. From this origin to this end 125 by 2, so it will be half. So we no need to make a center line, it will be in the center. So this to be 25, so this to be 50. So our drawing is fully defined. It looks fully black, so it is fully defined. Then go to extrude and make extrude this object for see here 50 mm. So we extrude this for 50 mm and click OK. And this is okay. This part is done. And make select this surface and make sketch and make a circle here. When you go to this arc area, you will get the center point. So from this center we make a circle here and make a rectangle here. This side we need to make a rectangle, the slot to be cut. Okay, make it little bit outside, that is better. And make a dimension for the circle to be 20 mm. Dia and 15, 15, 20, and this to be 50 mm radius. And the circle to be 20 mm dia, and this rectangle to be 50 mm length and 20 mm width. And we make it into center this rectangle. So it will be 15 mm. Okay. And this rectangle to be, it has to come inside. So make a dimension from here to here. From here to here, make it 0. So it will be inside. Okay, go to Extruded Cut this time and make through all and click OK. So we cut a hole there and one slot also there. And we have to make it top side. So we go to the top surface and select sketch and give normal, and we make a slot here and circle here. Go to the arc and we make a arc from here. Okay. Then go to circle and make a circle here and go to smart dimension. This arc we need to make it to the tangent. Make this end point and select this tangent. We will give some relation. And this to be 50 and 20. And that diameter is 20. Okay. Go to the dimension and make this is for 50. Okay. And of course this to be 20 mm and this diameter is 20 mm. And from here to be 15 mm Okay, now it is center. And this arc to be 25 mm. It's already tangent, so okay. 25 mm. And go to Extrude Cut. And this time we go to selected contour, so we can select the single part. So we can select the portion, whatever portion we need. We'll select that portion to cut. So click OK. So we'll get this part. And make appearance as you like what color you want. Thanks for watching.